1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a Restomod LS3 all aluminum V8 engine, 6-speed transmission. Absolutely stunning silver paint. Nice black houndstooth interior. Gotta love a 69 Camaro, especially with an LS3 engine. 4-wheel disc brakes. You got Willwood calipers all the way around. Let's check out this interior. Love the dash, bucket seats, console, houndstooth, 6-speed manual. All right, we're gonna fire it up for you. Engine runs really strong, really powerful. There's your gauge backlighting. 747 miles shown on the odometer. I would assume that is since the build was completed. The other turn signal indicator.
These symptoms sound like you.
Radio looks original, but it has an updated feel to it. Got vintage air conditioning. Love all the wood grain in here. Very, very classy. Looks really sharp. And these seats have a little more bolster to them than a factory seat would. This AC starting to feel nice and cool. Oh yeah, we're getting some cold air out of the vents right now. There's your horn. There's your wipers. And I love these gauges. They have just such a cool look to them. Door closes nice. All right, let's take a peek under the hood. All right, before we go under the hood, you can see the headlight flappers have opened. We do have one headlight that's out. We will take care of that as part of the sale, of course. I'm going to turn the headlights off. You can see the flapper doors are now shut, so those are working really good. All right, there you have it, folks. There's your power plant. LS3, all aluminum, LS V8 engine. Has a great exhaust rumble to it. Super clean under the hood. You can see a nice long tube headers. Nice power steering box. Power brakes, chromed out booster and master. Serpentine belt system. Super tidy engine bay. See this panel in front of the radiator? That's a really nice touch. Makes the engine bay look super clean. See, we have some really nice electrical accessories mounted on the firewall there. Really nice and clean. Hood closes easy. Paint and body overall in really, really nice shape. These are Michelin tires on a 17-inch wheel. These are date code 2023 on the tires, so that's very good. They're newer. Body nice and straight. Check out that dash. The wood grain in 69 is just so classy. The big 6-speed shifter coming out of the console. Love these seats. Door closes nice and solid. Exhaust sounds just like you'd want it to for a 69 Restomod LS3 Camaro. On the back here, you have a Michelin tire again. These are a 18-inch wheel on the rear. You have date code 2013 on the rear tires. So the rear tires are older than the front. If you're interested in this LS3 69 Camaro, 6-speed manual, all the bells and whistles, please scroll down. We'll have a link in our description. That'll take you right to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. There you'll be able to find the asking price, pictures of the undercarriage. You can check out how clean it is underneath. And if you'd like to make an offer, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.